Welcome to MedTech Global Insights. Imagine this. Your company has spent years and millions of dollars developing a revolutionary AI-powered diagnostic device. It has already earned a CE mark in Europe. Your submission to the US FDA should be a straightforward process, but then you receive a refuse to accept letter. Your entry into the world's largest medical market is halted before it even begins. This scenario has become a harsh reality for many innovators in the last week of January 2026. The FDA is now rigorously enforcing its updated cybersecurity requirements, creating a new and formidable barrier for market entry. This isn't about minor paperwork. It is a fundamental shift in how the agency views device safety. The core of the issue lies in the detailed documentation now mandated under Section 524B of the FD&C Act. Many companies are failing to meet this new standard. We are seeing submissions rejected for three primary reasons. First, an incomplete software bill of materials, or SBOM. Regulators want a comprehensive list of every software component, including open-source libraries, to assess potential vulnerabilities. Second, inadequate threat modeling. Companies must do more than just list potential risks. They must demonstrate a robust process for identifying, evaluating, and mitigating cybersecurity threats throughout the device's entire lifecycle. Third, a weak post-market surveillance plan. The FDA requires a proactive strategy for monitoring and addressing new vulnerabilities after the device is on the market. Let's consider a real-world example from last week. A promising German scale-up developed an AI algorithm that could detect early-stage cancers from medical images. Their technical file was perfectly compliant with the EU's MDR. However, their FDA submission was rejected. The reason was their cybersecurity plan lacked specific details on how they would manage vulnerabilities in a third-party AI library they used. They had a general statement, but the FDA wanted a detailed process, including timelines for patching and a formal disclosure policy. This single oversight will now cost them at least a 6-month delay and significant remediation expenses. It shows that a one-size-fits-all global regulatory strategy is no longer viable. Each market, especially the US, now demands a highly specialized approach to cybersecurity. Navigating these complex, market-specific requirements is where expert guidance becomes critical. For companies struggling with these new hurdles, specialized support can make the difference between market entry and costly delays. For more insights or direct assistance, you can always email the team at info@pureglobal.com or visit their website at pureglobal.com.